Hello, everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to connect your WooCommerce store to Google Analytics 4 and set up complete conversion tracking so you can see exactly what's happening at every stage of the customer journey. Right now, most WooCommerce stores are only tracking the final sale. You know your revenue number, but you have no idea how many people viewed a product, added it to cart, or dropped off during checkout. That means when sales dip, you're just guessing why. Without this data, you're flying blind and probably wasting money on marketing that isn't actually converting. The fix is to connect WooCommerce to GA4 properly, using a plugin built specifically for e-commerce tracking instead of a basic analytics snippet. We'll use the .store Enhanced Ecommerce Google Analytics for WooCommerce plugin, which captures the full customer journey, from product views all the way to purchase. Once it's set up, you stop guessing and start seeing exactly where shoppers drop off and exactly which products and channels drive your revenue. First, download the .store Enhanced Ecommerce Google Analytics for WooCommerce plugin, either the free or the pro version, and install it on your site. Now, once it's activated, go to .store plugins, then e-commerce tracking, right in your WordPress dashboard. Here you'll connect your GA4 property, and you've got two ways to do this. The easier way is to sign in with Google. Click Start to Setup to open the setup wizard, then click Sign in with Google. The plugin will pull in all the GA4 properties tied to your account. Just select the correct GA4 ID and press Complete Connection. If you'd rather do it manually, log into Google Analytics, click Admin, and under Data Collection and Modification, select Data Streams. Click on your store stream and copy the measurement ID. Paste that into the Enter GA4 ID field in the plugin and click Submit. Next, enable Enhanced Ecommerce. This is what starts sending the full range of events to GA4, transactions, revenue, product views, add to cart actions, all of it. Now, configure the extra tracking options based on what matters for your store. Turn on search tracking to send on-site search terms to GA4 so you can spot gaps in your catalog. Turn on sign-up tracking to capture new account registrations. Set up custom events for any specific actions you want to follow. Once everything's configured the way you want, press Save Changes. Let's test it. Go to any product page on your site and add an item to the cart. Then head over to GA4's real-time report, and you'll see the event show up instantly, confirming your tracking is live and working. With this setup, you get visibility into every stage before the sale, not just the sale itself. You'll know your product view rate, your add-to-cart rate, and exactly where shoppers abandon checkout. You'll see revenue broken down by traffic source and by product, so you know which channels and which items are actually making you money. That means fewer wasted ad dollars and a much clearer picture of what to fix and what to double down on. In the end, better tracking leads directly to better decisions, and better decisions grow your store. And that's it. This way, you can use the .store e-commerce tracking plugin to track the complete customer journey, from first product view to completed order. That means no more guessing, just real data guiding every decision you make for your store. Don't let missing conversion data cost you revenue and blind you to what's really happening in your store. Install the .store Enhanced Ecommerce Google Analytics for WooCommerce plugin using the link in the description below. If you enjoyed this video and want more WooCommerce tutorials like this, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching this video.